Yes, year 8. Welcome to the week 5 intro video. You'll notice I'm not dancing to Slim Shady this week. I'm just introducing it nicely, normally. So you can see this is how week 3 ended up in terms of submission of work. You can see the vast majority are doing a lot of very good work, and I'm very, very impressed with all of you who are smashing out these completions of every single task. It's superb. I want to quickly say a word on how well we've done in terms of the new system for submitting work. So the two emails, one for the test questions and the other for the video notes, has gone largely well. There are still some people who are not quite following instructions properly. When you're asked to email or your year 8 video notes, make sure that is the title of your email and make sure that has all the photos you've taken from the week's videos that you've watched. And when you submit your test questions, make sure you give it the title year 8 test questions and make sure your working is fully clear, because that way it's easier for me to know and understand what you've understood from that week's learning. So let's look at the plan for this week. I'm just going to get out of slideshow and I'm going to show you the plan for this week. So you can see on Monday, or you've already seen the beginning of Monday because that's how you got to this video. You've clicked this link that was here, that's here at this point. Each day this week, you're learning a new thing about angles, and there's a Hegarty task to go with it, and that is going to be the evidence that you've watched the video. So if you are able to do this Hegarty task properly with 100%, then I know you've watched the video. On Friday, you're doing another KPI, but you're also going to act on the feedback that I've sent you from last week's KPI. So I'll have marked that and sent it back to you with ticks and crosses, and any question that you didn't get full marks on, you're going to watch the correct video on Mr. G Maths website. You're then going to make purple pen notes on those questions you got wrong, and you're going to send them back to me. And that's going to be part of your year 8 video notes email, is the purple pen notes you've made from last week's KPI. You're also going to complete this week's KPI, and you're going to send it with the year 8 test questions header. So that's that. Just going to go back to my little slideshow. A highlight from last week, so this is Noah's test from question 5. Now this is quite a weird question, this, and I thought Noah's reasoning was really, really good. So he just applied the different angle facts that he knows. So angles around a point add up to 360. So he knows 29A plus C equals 360. He also knows 11A plus B add up to 180 because co-interior angles add up to 180. And he also knows 7A plus C, well, sorry, 7A equals C, because these two angles are vertically opposite. So he's applied all of these things, and then he said, well, 360 equals 29A plus C, but I already know what C is. It's equal to 7A. So then he substituted 7A into there in place of C, and it's led him to this point here with 360 equal to 36A. I just thought it was really nice reasoning from Noah for what was quite a difficult question, but it was very clear to see his thinking. So that was a personal highlight. Other highlights from this week, got Tahas video notes from Monday. He didn't even have to submit video notes for this because the evidence was in the Hegarty Maths clip, but I love the fact that he, even though this was like going above and beyond, his purple pen notes are so clear, and he's writing down all the chants, and he's saying the top tips like use a ruler and a highlighter. And then at the bottom you can see he's being honest as well. If he gets something wrong, he said you must add a degree sign at the end to make it the answer correct. So anyway, it just shows me that I can trust that Taha is doing home learning properly because he's being honest with his purple pen. So those are the highlights. Good luck with this week's work. Don't forget to email me any questions you may have. Thanks for watching. Bye.